Okay, imagine we have a first object, the rectangle with the red stroke, and the second object, the circle with the blue stroke. Most of you know how to use the Align tool to align the selected objects along the axis that you specify. This method can be selected here in the toolbar, Align to Selection. This traditional, most used and well-known aligning method in Illustrator is aligning objects to the selection. This means aligning the objects to a side, a top, or bottom or middle, but always relative to the bounding box of all the selected objects. That is what I'm showing here. You can see the bounding box when both objects are selected. It is the blue box around or including both objects. Let me demonstrate the 6 different alignment to the selection possibilities. As you can see, the objects move relative to the blue bounding box. When you change the aligning method to Align to Artboard, the objects will move relative to the edge of the artboard. The bounding box is actually the edge of the artboard in this case, as you can see here. Now, but what if you want to align one object to a second one and keep that second object in the exact same spot? The solution is easy. I can select the method Align to Key Object, and this method is not so well known, especially to beginners of Adobe Illustrator. However, this happens to be a very useful tool. Let me show you how. You must first select 2 objects, the circle and the rectangle, and then select the Align to Key Object method. Illustrator will indicate with a thicker blue stroke which of the selected objects is the key object. This is initially always the object on top of the other objects in the Layer tab. Here it is the red rectangle, but the crucial part is that you can change the key object by clicking the object that you want to use to align to. If I click on the circle, the key object changes. Let me draw another square, a green one. Now, with the right key object selected, I can align the other objects to this key object, as you can see here. And the important thing is that the key object will stay in its place, and the other objects will align to it. I find this a very useful tool that I happened to discover recently in Illustrator. And I hope this video has taught you something new. So if you like this kind of tutorial, let me know in the comments so that this positive feedback may inspire me to make some more. Thank you for now and see you in another video.